In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sew with Fakhra. Have you ever struggled to find the perfect thread color for your fabric? It happens all the time. Sometimes even the employee at the fabric store isn't sure which thread is the best match, so they end up giving you 2 or 3 different thread spools to choose from. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple trick that makes choosing the right thread color quick and easy. Most people test a thread by laying the spool against the fabric like this, or by rubbing it next to the fabric. I tried that with all 3 thread spools, but honestly, none of them looked like a perfect match. Another common method is to pull out a piece of thread and place it directly on the fabric. As you can see, I tested all 3 colors this way as well, and it's still hard to tell which one actually matches. It may even look different on camera. Now let me show you the trick. Instead of looking at the side of the spool, hold the spool upright and compare the top end of the thread directly against the fabric. Let's test the first spool. Not a match. Now the second one? Still not quite right. Finally, let's check the third spool. And there it is. This is the perfect color match. From the side, the thread looked different, but when you compare the top of the spool, you can clearly see the true color. Once you sew with this thread, it will blend beautifully into the fabric, and the stitches will be much less noticeable. I hope you found this sewing tip helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who love sewing. For more practical sewing tips, tailoring techniques, and beginner-friendly tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to Sew with Fakhra. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.